Hi guys, in my last video I have discussed about Ionic 2 framework, the basic installation and setting up the development environment to create a mobile application. So in this video I will show you how to navigate from one page to another page in a mobile application project. So how to create a mobile application project? You have to first write Ionic, start, project name, my app2 blank, which is the template name, -v2 is the version 2, that is the Ionic 2 framework. If you don't give this, it will install the Ionic 1 framework. So I have already created a project. This particular line will download all the necessary details from the internet. The node packet manager will do everything, so you just need to press enter and the project will be automatically created with the basic structures. So I just show you that project. I have already created it at the same time. So in this project, in order to start this project, you have to write the command Ionic. So this particular command will open the project in a web browser. The Chrome will help you to see the mobile application in the mobile view. The Chrome has a specific feature which will enable the Ionic project to be shown inside the mobile view. We'll just check whether what is happening here. Okay, this project is already opened inside the Internet Explorer. We'll open that in the Chrome browser. So this is the server address. So if you go inside this Visual Studio Code, you can open the folder inside the Visual Studio Code. Folder C E okay, here my project is inside the my dev folder. So where I have created my Ionic app 2. This is the particular folder which I have created just now. So I'll just select this folder and open it inside the Visual Studio Code. So our project will be opened inside this one. So you can see this is our project. This is our default blank project which has been created. So if I click F12, yeah, it will show us the mobile view where you can see it here. You just need to click this one, so it will show you the mobile view where you can select which mobile you want. So I'll select now Galaxy S5. So this is the Galaxy S5 view. So how the project will view in a Galaxy S5, that look will be shown in this browser. Alright, so we'll move into the project. So inside the project, the basics folder structure is there is an SRC folder. Inside that there is an app folder. Inside that we have app.module and app.component.ts. These two are the main files, and app.html is the basic HTML file. Here inside the module we have to declare all the necessary pages we are creating. Everything should be created inside this one. So the pages will be created inside the pages folder. So you can see there is already one default page has been created by the command which we have given, that is the home page, and there is a component.ts, app.component.ts. Inside this we have to declare like the root page. So here you can see the home page has been taken from this folder, has been declared here and used it here. I mean imported here and used it here. So this root page variable has been provided with the home page value. So the root page will be defined inside the app.html page. This is the basic Ionic app page, where this page will be the whatever page we are deciding here, which will be pushed it inside this particular tag. So here we have given the root page as home page. So first the home page will be shown. So home.html, I'll just show it like this is my Ionic tutorial page. So I'll just do a control S, which will be reflected inside this particular web browser, because there is a live compilation happens. Now it is building, so you can see the details here. So once it is complete, once the build is finished, you can view the page inside the web browser. Alright, so it's done. This is my Ionic tutorial page. Now this is the text which I have given. Now I'll show you how to navigate from one page to another page. Okay, so if you go inside this Visual Studio Code, what you have to do is you have to create a new page. So I'll name it as page 2 as of now. Control C, which will break this whole compilation, and I'll create a page here. There is another command provided by the Ionic to generate the page actually. So it will generate the basic structure of a page with all the necessary predefined codes. So I'll just show you Ionic generate page 2. So that's our new page, and I'll just click enter. This should generate a page inside the page folder. Something happened. Okay, I missed the page. Now you have to this will install the page for sure. So you can see the page is already installed. Alright, so the page.html, what we have to do is the page we have created, as I told, you have to add this page inside the app.module.ts. So here you have to click import a good thing is like there is an intelligence available in Visual Studio Code. So you just type from now you have to type /control space, so it will show you the necessary details. Pages, okay, sorry, pages, and page 2 is our required page. So that's it. Yeah, so this page 2, so this is the class which is exported from the page 2 .ts. You can see the class name will be page 2 page, so it will be exported from this class. So page 2 is the class name, page 2 page, where you can call that page 2 page from here, page 2 page class from here. So that has been called, and this should be added under the declarations. Saving it, and under the entry components. So declarations, you need to declare all the pages inside this declaration, and also the entry components. And the bootstrap is the root of all the whole application. So the Ionic app is the root here, and yeah. Now if I go to page 2.html, and I'll just give this is page 2. Okay, now I'll go to page home.html. Here what I have to do is I want to navigate from this page to the page 2. So I'll just delete this one, and I'll create a button here, button. So you can create the button using there is an Ionic website where you can get all types of buttons here. Ionic buttons, it's actually a documentation where you will get everything, all types of buttons, tags, list, etc. So that is ionicframework.com/docs/components. So if you go here, you can select what type of tags or components you require. So here you can see the buttons here. Okay, I'll just type Ionic button as far as I remember. Color I can give equals secondary. Click function I can give as what function I will give, test. I'll just give test, or I'll give a meaningful name, go to page 2. Okay, and this should be inside. This is okay. Now I'll also give here go to page 2, right button, close. Now I have to define this function inside the TS file. So inside this class you can see a constructor which actually gets the nav controller from the nav controller. This nav controller has been imported from the Ionic Angular. This will handle all the navigation details of navigation functionalities of the Ionic framework 2. So inside this I'll just declare that function, and I'll define it. So if you click this function, this dot nav control dot push go to page 2. So in order to do that, we have to declare the page 2 here. Intelligence helps me a lot while doing this program. Alright, so I have given this page 2 class. So this will take this button click to the page 2 page. And now I just need to run this function. Okay, Ionic. So alright, so the project has been loaded. I'll just rerun it. So you can see the button here, go to page 2. So if I click it, it should go to the page 2. So the navigation is success. How the navigation actually works is this actually there is a behind this code there is a push and pop functionality, which is a stack. So when you push it, it will add it to the stack, and it automatically creates a button inside this page which will call the pop functionality behind. So when you click it, it will just pop it out, so that page is gone. So it works like that. So if you click it, it will push it, and if you have another push here, you will go to that, it will also add it to the stack. And if you have a back button and you click it, and that will pop the page out. So that's how it works. So that's it for now. Please let me know if you have any doubts.